Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing key items: a fully charged Yi camera, your phone with the Yi app installed, and the 4 GHz Wi-Fi credentials. Connect the camera to power and wait for the blue LED prompt. This ensures the camera is in pairing mode. Open the app, sign in or create an account, and select Add Device. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted so the camera can join your network. This step enables remote access and motion alerts once connected. Once the camera is discoverable, follow the app pairing flow. Either scan the on-screen QR code with the camera lens or use the sound pairing option. Both exchange network info securely. After pairing, name the device so it's easy to find, then set video resolution and motion sensitivity to balance clarity and bandwidth. Configure detection zones to reduce false alarms, and choose cloud subscription or insert a micro SD card for local recording. These choices determine storage behavior and retrieval methods. To finish, verify live view, tilt/pan controls, and two-way audio so you know everything responds. Test motion alerts and review a recorded clip to confirm settings are correct. Make adjustments to sensitivity and zone placement if needed. If the camera fails to connect, power cycle it, confirm your router uses 4 GHz and re-enter Wi-Fi credentials. This resolves most issues. If problems persist, remove and add the device in the app to reset the pairing state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.